Okay, see if you can do this one here. Okay, make X a subject. So visualize this as one bubble multiplying this bubble here, and you've got this bubble here multiplying this bubble here. X is stuck inside this complicated bubble here, and X also appears in here. So what you do, you get this times this, and then this times this. So you're going to break up that complicated bubble into two smaller bubbles here. Okay, same as over here. This times this, this times this. So you're going to break it up into two bubbles. One will contain X. This one here will probably contain X here. So move all the X's on one side, or you could move this one to the other side. But basically, get all the rubbish on the other side, on one side, all the X's on the other side. Okay, so hang on. So press pause and have a go. Alright, so press pause and have a go. Alright, to do this, get this times this, so that would be 2ax, and then this times this would be plus 2ab equals, this times this would be cd, and then this times this would be minus 2cx. Okay, now you can see this bubble here contains X, this one here contains X. Rubbish here, we don't really care about these two. So get all the X's on one side. Rather than getting this moving across, and then later on I'm going to have I'm going to get this bubble and add it to both sides. Okay, I'm going to add this bubble to both sides. So add 2cx to both sides. So on this side will be 2ax plus 2ab plus, remember we're adding 2cx to both sides. So on this side it will be this. Now you can see that this bubble here doesn't contain x. So take away 2ab from both sides. So this would be 2ax plus 2cx equals cd minus 2ab. Okay, and now you can see here this bubble here and this bubble here, both they've both got x in common. So let's factorize it. X bracket 2a plus 2c, close it, equals cd minus 2ab, and now visualize it as this bubble here multiplying this bubble here. At the moment, that's what it is. It's this bubble multiplying this one here. So divide both sides by this complicated bubble here. So you will have c on this side, and on this side you will have this divided by that bubble there, 2a plus 2c. So there. Sorry, x here. You've got x here. Here. So here x equals this. So there you've got x equals this. Okay. Yeah. This one here. Next one. Okay. This one looks scary. Okay, but just use the same principle. You're trying to make x a subject. So look for x somewhere in here. So you can see x is here and x is here. So in effect, you visualize it as one bubble here, and then you've got the long bubble here. So this bubble here times this bubble here. X happens to be in a complicated bubble. Break it up so that you're more versatile. You can do more things. So when you break it up, you're going to break it up into two bubbles. Okay, one will contain X. So here, use the same technique. Break it up. So you break up the complicated bubble into smaller bubbles, and then you can move things around. So this one here contains X. So group all the X's on one side, or maybe and then all the rubbish on the other side. Okay. So it may look scary, but just do it. Just press pause and have a go. Okay. So get this times this. So that would be 6a squared x. And then take away this times this would be 12a squared b to the power 5. Okay. Again, this times this, it would be 6a to the power 3 b to the power 4 x. I'm just keeping everything in alphabetical order. It doesn't matter if it's 6b to the power 4a squared, blah, blah, blah. It doesn't matter. So now it's plus, now this times this. So that would be 14 b to the power 4 c. Okay? So now visualize it as this. You've got this block here, take away this block here, equals this block here plus this block here. X is in this block, X is in this block. So let's move this across to the other side. Okay, you could move this across, but then you're going to end up with minus here. So let's move this across. So inside your mind, take away this block here. Okay, we are taking away this block here. So inside your mind, take away 6 a to the power 3 b to the power 4 x. You're taking away this block here inside your mind. Okay, so hang on, 6a squared x minus 12a squared b to the power 5. Take away 6a 3 b 4 x equals hang on, let me just move the equal sign here. Equals well, equals this only, so it would be 14 b to the power 4 c. Okay, now visualize it as this. You've got this block, take away this block, equal take away this block, equals this block here. This one here is classed as rubbish because it doesn't contain x. So move this one across to the other side. So inside your mind, take away this block here. Okay. So on this side you have 6a squared x. Take away 6a to the power 3 b to the power 4 x. And then on this side you have 14b c plus, remember we're adding this block to both sides, plus 12a squared b to the power 5. Okay, now look what's in common. So at the moment you've got this block here, take away this block here. All these are rubbish, I don't really care. So here x is in common, x is in common here. So factorize it. So x, factorize it. 6a squared minus 6a to the power 3 b to the power 4, and then close it. Okay, on this side, blah 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 plus blah blah blah. Okay, and now visualize it as one bubble multiplying this whole bubble here. So divide both sides by this complicated bubble here. So it will be x and then 14b to the power 4c plus 12a squared plus 5, not plus, times b to the power 5 divided by 6a squared, take away 6a to the power 3 b to the power 4. Okay, so x equals this. Ta-da! Okay.